Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change wiper blades on a BMW X2. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect the windshield. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the ignition is off. Now, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its service position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and damaging the glass. We're ready for the next step. Now let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at where the blade connects to the wiper arm. You'll typically find a small release tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade down or off the arm. It might require a little wiggle. Once the blade is free, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the towel, ensuring the metal arm doesn't snap against the windshield. Safety first. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give the blade a gentle tug to ensure it's properly attached and won't come loose during operation. Repeat this process for the other wiper blade. You're almost done. Carefully lower both wiper arms back down onto the windshield. Make sure they rest properly without any gaps. Now, turn on your vehicle's ignition and activate the wipers. Observe their operation. They should move smoothly across the glass, providing a clear, streak-free view. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. Enjoy your improved visibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.